In this lecture, I am going to show you how to iterate through the elements of a dictionary using for loop.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So let me first give the comment iterating through the elements of a dictionary using for loop Okay, it's quite easy to do it because we have already used for loop for iterating through the items of tuples and set, etc., and list also. So in order to define a dictionary, there is another method you can use, this function dict, this method dict. So it is almost akin to the method that we have been using earlier. So cities is equal to dict, and within parenthesis I am giving the pairs of my items, of my elements. For example, A colon Amritsar. So key is A, value is Amritsar. Then 1 colon Ludhiana, L colon Ludhiana. L is the key, Ludhiana is the value, C is the key, Chandigarh is the value. Then I am going to apply the loop, and for var in cities, let me write cities, the name of the dictionary, and within parentheses, within square brackets, I would write the variable var. Now how does it work? So when the loop will execute for the very first time, the value of var will be the key A. So it will become cities A. That means the value of value Amritsar will be printed. Okay. Now when the loop will go to the second turn, the value of var will be changed to the key L, and corresponding value of L is Ludhiana. So when I would write cities L, Ludhiana will be printed. Yes. And third time over, that is the last time, the value of var will automatically become C, and what will happen is it will become cities C, and what is the corresponding value of city C? Chandigarh. So key is C and value is Chandigarh. So cities C will print Chandigarh. So far so good. Let me execute the program. There seems to be some indentation error. I shouldn't have given the space. Okay, so invalid syntax. Oh, okay. Actually, instead of colon, I have given comma between A and Amritsar. That was a minor mistake. Okay. Now we have executed the program by pressing Ctrl Shift F10, and see, it has iterated through all the items of our dictionary Amritsar, Ludhiana, Chandigarh.